What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John. As you can see from my previous video, I've gotten the Gozney Roccbox. So I'm going to show you two quick and easy ways on how to launch a pizza into your Roccbox. Again, they're two super simple tips. The first way is just your normal in the oven, and then you're kind of wiggling and pulling at the same time. That's for mainly beginners. And then the other way would be putting it in and releasing it really fast. Again, it's kind of just putting it in, a little bit of 45 angle, and then pulling out pretty quick. Those are really the two easiest possible ways to launch a pizza into your Gozney Roccbox. I'm going to make two pizzas, and then I'll show you the first way. And then if you get any comments or any questions, leave them down below. So we're going to go ahead and launch the first pizza in. Again, this is just going to be the super simple, basic way. So if we're going to take a look, again, we're just putting it all the way in the end, and we're kind of wiggling it out. So again, put it all the way in, 45 angle, and then pulling it, kind of twisting it, a bit of wiggle. Alright, so this is going to be the second technique. This again is going to be something that's just going to be quick into the oven and you pull fast. So let's go ahead and get this one in. Just like this. Alright, now that you've seen both techniques, comment down below which technique you're doing. Number one technique or the second technique. If this is something that's been super helpful to you, like, comment, subscribe, give it a share. Maybe, share it with some friends or family. Definitely helps me a lot. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll connect there. Talk soon.